Welcome everybody to Trading Jesus Tribe, where we hunt for exact price value. Today we're gonna talk about HCMC and why being consolidating now around the 0.020 and 0.014, and this area actually the accumulation phase where the smart money get ready to explode the price and get the price at cheaper price right now before we take the price higher. But there is a warning sign and the sign of explosion before we see on any higher prices for HCMC. So we're gonna go for that in this video. Before we go in the video, blast the like button, and before we after we finish HCMC, we're gonna see the heavily requested stock that been asking from you guys, that we've been asked to review. So we're gonna go and review it after HCMC. So stay tuned for that, and let's get right to the video. Here guys, look with me closely. If we look, we did the video and we cut this explosion that we did at the 16th of April. Hopefully you saw the video, because I told you guys the moment we saw this explosion above the accumulation average, we're gonna see the price go up. But before we going in any higher, I told you guys we're gonna see the price get heavy rejected around this area, because here is the resistance level, but we got a fake out and then a drop. Now the price is consolidating around this technical area between the 0.020, as I told you guys, and this area between this area. So this is where the smart money being accumulating the price. You see guys, this is important stuff for HCMC, and this is called accumulation phase, where the smart money just accumulating the price before we gonna take it any higher. And the price that I told you guys to watch out for any breakout at this level around the 0.0020. Any price go above, guys, we're gonna see explosion. Any price go below, we're gonna see the price gravitate back around the 0.010, and this is the lowest, but we have to hold this level again. The best scenario actually guys, we don't want to see the price go any lower from 0.014 in order to see another explosion, because it's next week or by this month, if we hold above this level and we still accumulating here, be patient guys, because a lot of people of you get frustrated because you just look for a narrow vision or narrow opportunity for any stock, and usually the stock been accumulating and been consolidating about technical area. This is the moment you should be ready to have been loading at this price, because at any moment it could explode. Not after explode and you buy. This is the mature or like not experienced trader do. When they see the price going up, they jump. They don't jump on the price when go in accumulation phase. This is where the smart money buy, and the new trader, they buy when the price go up. This is a really bad thing, and you should change this kind of strategy and try to think as the market maker do. And the other thing guys, we have to disclose this resistant or declining ascending line. We have to have this respected, simple as that. So by Monday or even this month, we need to respect this line guys. We don't want to get back in order to see the momentum to take us higher. You see this movement, even we go to 0.015, we need this the price action movement happening like this. We have the this time the rejection around the 0.034, we get down. This time we want to bounce from this level and then go again and get breakout from the 0.020 in order to see explosion again and see this kind of behavior. First we test the 0.024, and then we test the 0.035, and you see the scenario what's happening here. We're doing higher lows, and this is really perfect. And this time we have to predict the other explosion that will gonna happen for HCMC, and watch out for this, guys. The next level, that if we bounce and we respected this month, this technical level, and we never get below, there is a big potential. If we bounce again and we explode from the 0.020, this time we have to see the price go even higher and around above the 0.044 or around the 0.004. So here where we're gonna see a big rejection area, and here, guys, you have to take a bit of profit before the price. We're gonna see a consolidation and rejection and go even lower, and this time we don't gonna see the 0.014, but will consolidate around the 0.020. So this is the best scenario for HCMC that I can see from the big picture, and this the big picture give you more firm and confirm prices for HCMC. The other technical level that we're gonna talk about, this is really important. If we don't respect this level and we break this level at 0.014 in this month, guys, if we break this level and we don't respect the ascending line, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the 0.010, and this is really bad because we lose all the momentum and we do really lower lows. We might this time we go even lower from this level, because this is important, guys. This is psychologically even impact the investors and impact any new trader to come in the future. When we might see the price go even to $1 if you do your due diligence and you know, like, financial statement and everything goes well, we might even see $1. But the idea is, now if you want a fast return on your money and you swing trade, you have to have this in an account, and you have to have no bias information. Even you bought and you have some money and shares, usually a lot of people have bias like information or judgment when you own anything, even a car or a phone. Like, when you own it is the best in the world. This is some kind of psychology thing. If anything you own is have the price tag about the things you own, plus the sentimental value of the things you own. So this is the thing that you add value at, as you see when you buy options. They have like intrinsic and extrinsic value for the options. So the options is intrinsic value is what's the price for the in the time mean in the market, and extrinsic value is what's the market predict for the share will mature after, and they believe that the share will go 5x or 6x. This is the extrinsic value for the option. So this is, you see here, as we can look, be really firm about your what you do and when you take any trade. So guys, as I told you guys, most important thing, we don't want to see a breakout from this level because we're gonna see the 0.010. This is really important. And now let's go to see one of your heavily requested stock, and this is the pharmaceutical company. It's called CSTT, and from what I see, guys, the stock have really a good support around this level, around the 0.040, and the resistance level around the 0.058. And by Monday, guys, we're gonna see a test for this level, and hopefully we don't see a rejection, because if we get rejected, the perfect scenario, even the still good scenario, if we bounce back around the 0.50 and we don't go below it, but we're gonna see again test and retest again to 0.58, and this time we should break and we close above. This is the good scenario, and the technical level that I should sell if we break from here, we have the technical level that you should sell around the 0.79, and here we're gonna see a big rejection before we go even higher. And the bad scenario, if we get rejected by Monday at 0.58, there's a big chance we're gonna see the 0.38. If we don't bounce from the 0.50, we're gonna see the 0.39 again, and we consolidate at this level, because this is the technical area and the key level for a CST between the 0.58 and the 0.40, and this is really important before any explosion happen for this stock. And any price go below the 0.40, we're gonna see the price gravitate below even 0.22, and this is almost 50% down, guys. So be careful, be careful. Any price will go from the 0.40, explosion down. Any price go from the 0.58, explosion up around the 0.80 cent. So this is for my opinion about CST. And note every price level in your notepad, so you never be confused and led by your emotion, and you never execute under those prices. So guys, as I told you, for HCMC, always be ready to hunt for exact price value and the explosion that will happen, and the technical level that we're gonna see a big massive rejection, as I told you, at 0.0044. And as I told you guys, have no bias judgment before you do any trade, even you own some shares. As I give you the example about the option, about your extrinsic value for anything you own, and try to block this emotional thing, because this is will distract you from like hidden information or insight that will take your trade at least to be probable not losing trade. So this is like a fine line between good trade and bad trade by emotion. Just cut your emotion from the trade, because 90% of any good trader or a good trade is the emotion part, not even the strategy, guys. You have the emotion, you have the risk management, then comes the strategy. This is the three things that we could actually put in our like notepad or our paper, that we have to have those three things. First, control our emotion. Second is try to have a risk management. And third, the last thing, is the strategy that you build on and you make your trade. So guys, if you like the video, like and comment and subscribe. And as I told you, be patient and hunt for exact price value. And hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next Monday.